Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to summarize YouTube video using Chatgpt. So before, you can just simply copy the link of that YouTube channel. For example, this one right here, copy, and then go to your Chatgpt. And you can type here, summarize this video or summarize this, and then paste the link right here. Tap this arrow and you will see a summarized version of that YouTube or whatever that person said here or what is this video all about. But right now you can't use that anymore. So what we're going to do here is we're going to scroll down and you have to look for a transcript. So tap this show transcript right here and you will see this transcript on the right side. Tap this three dots and then click toggle timestamps. Now, you can only see scripts right here, and all you have to do is to copy or select this one all or highlight, right click, and then copy. So, what you're going to do now is you have to go to your ChatGPT, and then you can now start typing summarize this and then paste that transcript. And that's it, because whatever the person said or the content creator said on that video, you will see it right here, and all you have to do is to summarize that. So you cannot copy the link, but you can copy the transcript. Use that to summarize the video. As easy as that. Now, if the video is long, for example, like 15, 20, or 1 hour, then what you're going to do is you have to simply add ChatGPT to your Chrome extension. Okay, you can type this one, install this, or add this. Then once you are on a specific channel or and video, then you have added this ChatGPT to your Chrome extension, just click show transcript. You will see the ChatGPT extension. Click that one, you will see summary option, and it will summarize the transcript. So basically, that's how easy it is to summarize YouTube video using ChatGPT. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.